Let's move our Facebook template to a new Jupyter Notebook for easier writing and testing of our Facebook ETL script. Rename the notebook and copy-paste each necessary part into the notebook in separate cells. We don't need the pprint library anymore, as we are not going to pretty print something. Copy additional libraries from the Google Analytics notebook, since we are also in need to initialize the drive and up and download data to and from a Google spreadsheet. And of course, we need the datetime and pandas libraries. Furthermore, get some of the variables as well, and put the variables from the Facebook template in that cell as well. We can also add the metrics we need to extract as a variable list in the variable section. Lastly, put the rest into different sections for later and save the file.